Today's featured SUV of the day is a 1984 Dodge Ramcharger 150 four-wheel drive. And, well, I'd read from the seller's comments, but unfortunately there weren't any. So let's take a walk around it here. This one looked to be a time capsule, all original paint, a D150 custom, 4x4 with lockout hubs. Looks like it has some touch-ups on the paint, but it looks to be all rust-free and has the stock wheels on it, the trailer mirrors, and I'm not sure if it was an automatic or a stick shift, and not sure what engine it had. I forgot to write it down, but it was either the 5.2 or the 5.9. There's only about a 25 horsepower difference between them for that year. And this one sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $10,800 back in November of 2019. Like I said, it was a good-looking vehicle. It looked to be a survivor, pretty much an all-original survivor. But anyway, that's today's featured SUV of the day, a 1984 Dodge Ramcharger 150 four-wheel drive that sold for $10,800 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 2019. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. You can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend or share it on your group page if you have one. I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.